Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a dotticure, which is basically a manicure made of dots. How simple is that? If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. First, I'm gonna apply my base coat. Today I'm using the Peel Off base coat from UNT to protect my natural nail. And then I'm gonna go with Synthetic Symphony. This is a bright purple, part of the collection that Orly has released for summer 2021. And this is a beautiful color, definitely one of my favorites for that collection. And if you haven't seen my video on those shades, I will link it here so you can check that out. And for this design, I just applied 2 coats with this very opaque shade. Then I'll be using a dotting tool with the smaller size here. And the first color is Tangerine Dream. This is a very bright yellow, kind of cheddar color. And I will be doing just a dot in the center and a few other dots around that. For the middle finger, I'm gonna do a full nail design, and for the others, I'm just gonna go with some part of that nail. So now I'm using artificial orange. This is a very bright orange, almost neon color, super beautiful. And I'll be doing also the dots around the yellow. And for the other nails, I'm just gonna continue with a very abstract pattern. It doesn't have to be round, it could be anything. This is really easy, and seriously guys, this is one of the fastest manicures that you can do. It actually took me like 15 minutes to do my both hands, so it's actually super easy. You can also use a bobby pin. If you wanna just get that appearance of the dot, you can use a dry pen. It can be anything actually. And if you like smaller dots, you can also use a toothpick. That works perfectly too. So here I'm adding a green. This is Plastic Jungle. And last color I'll be using is Kaleidoscope Eyes. This is a very bright lilac. And for example, in the middle finger, I didn't have enough space to just go around with the pink one, but it doesn't really matter. It's very abstract, so you can do whatever you want. On my thumb, I also repeat the same full nail design that on my middle finger. Then I will apply a coat of the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. The dots are not likely to smudge though, but I didn't want to risk it. And then I will apply 1 coat of the Dry Fast top coat, and as you see, it will smooth out the surface so you don't have that bumpy feeling in your nails. And then last step, as always, apply a little bit of cuticle oil so it doesn't get dry. And here's the final result. I really loved it. It's super fast and easy, and I didn't know some of this polish also glow under black light, so look at that. And here are the pictures for this manicure. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!